bubbly science of carbonation. Opening scene. A sparkling glass of soda sitting on a counter. The camera zooms in on the effervescent bubbles. Narrator, cheerful voice. Ah, carbonation. Those magical little bubbles that turn boring liquids into fizzy, fabulous fun. But what is carbonation, and why do we love it so much? Let's dive into the science and sparkle of what makes your soda pop. Literally. Scene shifts to a quirky, animated lab, complete with beakers bubbling over with fizz. Narrator. Carbonation is the result of dissolving carbon dioxide, or CO, into a liquid under pressure. Think of it like forcing a gas into a liquid spa day. The gas is cozy under all that pressure till someone dares to open the bottle. Cut to an animated soda bottle opening and bubbles rushing to the surface. Narrator. Boom. The pressure is released and the sea escapes, forming those delightful bubbles that tickle your nose. Animation of a scientist labeled Joseph Priestley, holding a beaker of soda water. Narrator. Let's take a trip back to 1767. Meet Joseph Priestley, the man who first figured out how to carbonate water. While hanging out in a brewery, probably for research purposes, he noticed CO coming off fermenting beer. Naturally, he thought, hey, what if I trap this in water? And the first carbonated drink was born. Cut to Priestley handing the drink to an animated king who takes a sip and bubbles float from his mouth. Narrator. Fun fact, it took a while for people to decide if fizzy water was refreshing or just really weird. Spoiler alert, refreshing one. Scene shifts to modern soda machines at a factory with happy soda cans moving on a conveyor belt. Narrator. These days, carbonation is big business. From soda and sparkling water to champagne and even carbonated coffees. That's a thing, humans can't get enough of those fizzy vibes. Cut to a stylish bar with someone pouring sparkling water into a glass. Narrator. And why do we love carbonation? The answer is both scientific and satisfying. Bubbles create a fizzy sensation on your tongue, which your brain translates as refreshing. Plus, CO reacts with water to form carbonic acid, just a tiny bit that gives drinks a tangy kick. Camera zooms in on a smiling person sipping soda. Narrator. So, every sip feels like a tiny party in your mouth. And who doesn't love a party? Cut to an animation of a soda bottle, flexing muscles labeled CO with a speech bubble. I preserve your drinks, too. Narrator. But carbonation isn't just for fun. It's functional. Coax as a natural preservative, keeping bacteria at bay. So, next time you grab a fizzy drink, thank the bubbles for keeping it fresh. Scene shifts to a DIY carbonation setup at home with a soda stream-like device. Narrator. Feeling adventurous. You can carbonate your drinks at home. Just make sure the liquid is cold. CO loves a chill vibe. And remember, add flavors after carbonation, unless you like cleaning up foam explosions. Cut to a messy kitchen with foam everywhere. A person shrugs with a speech bubble. Worth it. Closing scene. The glass of soda from the start returns, now with a straw and a little umbrella. Narrator. So, there you have it. Carbonation isn't just science, SIDS, sparkle, refreshment, and a little bit of chaos in every sip. Cheers to Joseph Priestley, CO, and the joy of fizzy drinks. The bubbles in the glass spell out, stay bubbly. As the screen fades to black,